They are laying allegation that the Palestinians are killing innocent civilians. What information we have from the social media, authentic information, mashallah, even when the Palestinians are retaliating, they are not attacking purposely any innocent human being. They aren't attacking the women, aren't attacking the children. And we know of various incidents that when they go to the houses, they tell the women, we are Muslims, you are safe from us. And when they're hungry, when they attack the house, they keep the women safe. They even take permission. Can we please take a banana from your fridge? Can you believe? Someone is coming in your house to take back his house with arms, and they're taking permission to have one banana. And when they go, when they retaliate the military of Israel, and when they leave their homes, they leave the homes. And when they come and when they take food from their fridge, they leave a note, we are sorry, we ate food from your fridge, and then they go back. This is Islam.